Merry Christmas, everyone. I wish you all an amazing celebration today with your loved ones and your family. I hope you are doing all amazing. You had an amazing year and full of happiness, full of health, and of course, also full of wealth and profits. Now, let's quickly talk here about Bitcoin. What can we see here? Sitting at 87,000. Not much happened since yesterday. My price target is still around $77,000. And after that, we will have to take another look at the charts. But for now, we can see here, we are basically forming here some type of a rounding top. And I think we will most likely go to this area somewhere. Let's see when this will happen. Now it's also Christmas, so the market is quite slow. The question is, when are we buying more Bitcoin? Right now, if you are in the VIP group, you already know we are in a short for quite some time. We are basically shorting the market since October, but we are also doing more short-term trades, like for example the breakdown out of this rising wedge right here, and we can see it's working quite well. Now we're having here some consolidation phase, and let's see, I think we might break to the downside from here as well. The price target of this rising wedge is still $77,000. That's it for Bitcoin. Also, let's look a little bit at Doge. We are also having a trade there. We can see it's doing quite well. We entered at around this zone, and we are already in the middle of the move right now. If you took this trade together with me, make sure you are moving your stop loss in the profit zone. Most likely, I will do it, I don't know, maybe somewhere around here at 13.1 cents. That's where I would put the stop loss, and I would just let this trade run. Maybe even longer. Let's see, maybe I'll move even the take profits price, because I think the market is still not in a very bullish sentiment. So I think we can definitely go lower if we go here and look at the weekly chart for Doge. We can easily go to 9 cents, like it happened a couple of months ago when we had the liquidation crash, or like just beginning of the year in August, it went to 8 cents and even to 5 cents. So we have to be quite careful with this. So probably we can even look at around maybe 11 cents Doge, maybe even less. So I'll keep my trade open until then. I already moved my stop loss in the profit, so I don't have to worry about anything at all. Now let's also quickly talk about Ethereum, which looks also like it's probably gonna go for a move to the downside. Let's see, on the weekly it doesn't look so bad, I have to say. On the weekly, let's see, we can't tell too much about this on the weekly. Let's actually look on the 4-hourly. But yeah, on the weekly it didn't create a massive lower low yet. It's still basically in the middle, so let's see. On the 4-hourly, also I don't see any patterns right now. We can see we had also some type of rounding top here, which will most likely also break to the downside. We are also having a Ethereum trade. If you remember, guys, check this out, which is doing quite well. Also nicely in the profits. We basically went exactly in at the right time. I think we went in when the RSI was overbought here on the 1-hourly. Yeah, we can see it here. We went exactly right here when the RSI went into the overbought zone, and we are doing quite well with this trade. Already half of the move is done. Take profit would be at around $2,800. That was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profit. See you all again next time. Bye bye.